Welcome to the Focus First YouTube tutorials. My name is Jonathan DeLeon and I'm the Business Development Manager at Focus First, as well as your guide today. In this video, we're going to go over how to print your graphs either individually or as a group. So let's jump into it. You've created your graphs and now you're ready to print them. How? Well, there's two main ways. The first of which is actually one of the simplest, and that's by clicking this Print Graphs button here. This will open up a dialog box that shows all the graphs you've created in the program and lets you select which ones you'd like to print. Now these names here are the same as the names in the tabs at the bottom. So if you ever kind of get lost, you can always hit cancel, go back and just figure out what those names are. Let's say you wanted to print multiple of these graphs. You just click on the ones you want to print to turn that printing function on. You don't have to hit shift, you don't have to hit control, you just click. Now if you accidentally clicked one you want to turn back off, just click again and that will go ahead and deselect that. Once you click OK, if you're on a PC, it's going to open up that print menu. If you're on a Mac, it does automatically at the moment print right to your printer, the last printer you used. So on a PC, it'll open up to your print menu and you can either print to your printer or print to a PDF writer. If you want to print it digital, that's completely supported at this point. Right now, because of the Mac on Excel on Mac I should say, you can't do the PDF print from this print window. So the other way to print would be the standard Command P or Control P to open up your print window, which does one at a time, and you click Save as PDF or print it as well. Now there is the option, however, when you want to print multiple. For example, let's say I wanted to print the neighborhood patterns. If I do select multiple of them and click Print, when it opens up, now it has all three of those selected, and then I can print that either through my printer or save as PDF on Mac. Again, on the PC, you can do this all through the print graph options without having to go to that extra step. Now that being said, the one that will not be in the print graph options here is this visual value. So to print this, all you have to do is navigate to it and hit File Print or Control or Command P, which opens up your print menu, which allows you to print it either to your printer or to the PDF. Simple as that. You can print all the different graphs, and then for the VHV or the visual value report, you navigate to it by clicking the visual value button and then clicking Print. And then for printing the FHV graphs, once you click this button and log into your account, it opens up in a PDF format. You can go ahead and print right there from the website. Hopefully this video helped you learn the Focus First pricing tool. If you want to see more videos like this and additional videos we release, make sure you subscribe to our Focus First YouTube channel. Thanks for being here, and I'll see you next time.